Hey guys, it's Yvette. Welcome back to my channel. I have another new box and it's a crafty box. Very recently, or if you guys remember back in May, it was so long ago. Sorry, still got the cough. I was very busy in May. And one of the events that I had was a wedding. And for the wedding, I had made this cross-stitch project. And it just reminded me how much I sort of miss doing the cross-stitch. When I was a kid, we used to do cross-stitch. We also did like plastic canvas things, you know, like making a tissue box and stuff like that. So anyway, I was looking online for fabric clubs or something like that from the UK. And when I came across this one, I got really excited because first of all, it's affordable. And secondly, it's cross-stitch. And so I'm just so excited about this one. And I just got my first one. And here's the box that it comes in. And I mean, the box is just adorable. It's you know, it's just a small little box, so it doesn't take up a lot of room in your mailbox or anything like that. Oh, and look, it says cross stitch Happy Meal. That's really cute. So let's get it open, guys, because I'm actually really excited about this one. Oh, I thought I had all the tape. Oh, it's not tape, it's a tuck. Okay, hold on. Ooh. These boxes are very well constructed, I have to say. Because that thing ain't coming open unless you were like really giving it the old college try. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I open it up. I'm trying not to breathe because there's like loose paper in there. Cats are gonna go nuts. Okay. That's adorable. Did you guys see that? I mean, hold on, I'm gonna try again, but look, it's a little sucker and it's in a heart shape. A very vague heart shape. I don't know if you can even see, but it's like slightly got the little dent, unless that's just a flaw in how they made it. I don't know. It looks like a heart to me. Let me try again. I got my fan on because I always have to have air moving. Oh, geez. But look, there it is inside. Oh, my goodness. It just went everywhere. Yeah. The cats are probably just going ape you know what right now. Okay. Guys, I know you're excited. Mommy gotta pick that up. Y'all are gonna have that all over the house. Okay, so the name of the box is, oh geez, hold on. Okay, it's called the Geeky Stitching Club. And, the Geeky Stitching Company. And Geeky Stitching, guys, I love you, but this is, like, my cats are, like, they're very happy. But it's like they're going to have that all over my house. Okay, but so far, I'm telling you, I love your little box because this is just adorable. Like, you open it up and then with the confetti, I mean, I do like the idea. That's a really great idea. Okay, so I've squished it all up. That way it's not going to fly all over my house. Sorry, but I just had to do it. And the card inside says, yay, fun stitchy stuff inside. Thank you for purchasing this month's club box. And then on the back, it says, thank you so much for purchasing this month's club box. As club members, you're entitled to 15% off everything on the website, free access to our members-only area, and PDF club plus loads more. So it's really great. Like with this one, if you leave a review, I'm reading it off the card. If you leave a review, you earn 1,500 points. Every month that you are in the club, you're earning points. Everything you buy earns you points. I think anytime you review, you earn points. So you can take all these points and use them toward purchasing other things in their shop. And it's not all things that have to mail to you. If I remember correctly, there's a lot of PDF things, patterns that you can buy for cross-stitching. And you can earn all these points and use the points toward purchasing them, and it's really awesome. So that's that, and let me open it up. Tear the paper. I don't want to tear the sticker because it's just too cute. I love your little logo, guys. I love it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it comes with everything you need. I mean, I will put all the information down below, but honestly, guys, I don't remember that it was all that expensive. And yeah, so here it is, put together, all packaged nice. You have your hoop, you have your Aida cloth. Oh, you have white Aida cloth and you have a green Aida cloth. And you've got your thread, well, your embroidery thread, and then you've got one whole skein of embroidery thread, and this one is number 894. I'm not sure what that is, but it's a DMC. And then we get to the pattern. Oh my goodness, there's more than one. Okay, so the first one is a pattern that says E is for eggs. And that one, I suppose, is the one that goes in your hoop. And it's with the white Aida cloth. This one says, I like spending quality time with you. Isn't that cute? Well, actually, I guess you could use the hoop with any of them. And then you could just go and buy hoop. Hoops are so cheap. It's, you know, that's not a big deal. I give top quality hugs. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Okay, and then the note that comes with, it says, top stitcher tips. Make sure that you use an embroidery hoop and stretch the fabric so that it's taut. They say taunt, but it's supposed to be taut, T-A-U-T, like taut. I'm pretty sure. I have to look it up. Maybe I'm the one who's wrong. I don't. But I always thought it was taut. I'm going to have to look it up now, because now if I'm wrong, I feel like an idiot that I just corrected them and I shouldn't have. Anyway, so it says, stretch the fabric so that it's taut. This will make life easier and also give you a good finish. Just place the material in between the two halves of the hoop and tighten with fastening at the top. All patterns are stitched with 3 strands of DMC floss. If you just separate out 3 strands of floss carefully from each color on the thread sorter, and then you're good to go. If you do not do this and use all 6 strands of thread, then you will not have enough to complete the pattern. The thread sorter, and they give you a needle. Oh my goodness, people. I just saw that sticking out. I can't believe. That is so nice. Everything you need. The thread sorter contains all the thread you will need to complete the pattern. It's stored in the same numerical order as the list on the 3rd sheet of your pattern, starting from the top left of the thread sorter listed as number 1. Always put the thread back on the sorter in the correct place once you have used it, as you may need it at a later time. Thread the needle, then tie a small knot, blah, 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 blah. It's best to start in the middle of the design and work outwards. The middle of the pattern will be marked where the 2 red lines cross. Okay, if you need to change the color or run out of thread or need to start on another letter within the pattern, make sure you tie a small knot on the, okay. Okay. That's awesome. Yes, okay, see, it says, do you like cross-stitch Happy Mail? If the answer is yes, then you may be interested in joining the Geeky Stitching Club, which is what I'm in. The original cross-stitch subscription club. Each month you will receive 3 patterns, 1 kit, mini supplies, like M-I-N-I, mini supplies kit, plus mini sweet treats, all from £11.50. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to say that, including shipping. Now, it's including shipping for the people in the UK. We have to pay shipping to the US. You have the option if you want regular shipping or if you want tracked shipping, and I just got regular shipping. I mean, I just got regular shipping. So, and then it tells you where to subscribe and blah, blah, blah. So, of course, I'll give you all the info down below, just in case cross-stitch is something you like and you'd like to get the Geeky Stitching Company Club a try. And that's it. That's the kit. So I'm really excited, and give me all of your you know, opinions down below. Tell me what you think about it. I think it's pretty cool. And I like that the projects are all pretty small, so it's not like overpowering or whatever. You know, just do what you can. And I just think they're great. So I will see you guys later, and I look forward to your comments. Bye.